Thank you notes. So it's 2019, and I feel as though thank you notes are becoming a bit of a lost art. So let's redefine when it's appropriate for a thank you note and when maybe there are other ways that we can handle it with all the amazing technology we have exposed to us today. So this hit me after I had my son almost 5 years ago, and I've asked mothers for the last 5 years their thoughts on this particular topic. If you have a formal affair, a wedding, a shower, anything that you're sending an invitation to and you expect in reciprocation a gift, and we want to do that, that's not a bad thing. I think that it's so much appropriate to sit down and show your appreciation through a handwritten note. And I think we need to continue to teach our children to do that. It's becoming, like I said, a bit of a lost art. My kids can't write. I have them sit down, draw a picture, and I actually have a stamp that says thank you so much. And we stamp it. Sometimes that makes it in the mail, sometimes it doesn't, but nonetheless, mostly it's just that I'm trying to infuse that into them so that they understand that showing gratitude is one of the greatest things that we can do. Okay, so with that in mind, when is it okay to just not have to deal with the only way of showing gratitude being a handwritten thank you note? Well, how about when somebody has a brand new baby? They've got enough to deal with. Sometimes out of the kindness of our heart, we go and we do things for our friends, our family, whatever that may be. I don't think we should expect a handwritten note in reciprocation. I think it's important for that person or us being that person to acknowledge the kindness. It can be through a text message. It could be a photo of your child in whatever they brought. It could be an email. It could be something on Facebook, on Instagram. There's so many different facets in which we can acknowledge and send gratitude. Let's do it that way. Let's not put so much pressure on ourselves. Tell me what you think about that. Comment below, because I feel that we have all these tools that we're not accessing, and although we've moved forward in so many aspects, we still hold on to certain things that aren't always necessarily the only way. So let's make new ways is what I'm thinking here. And like I said, tell me what you think. Another thing, when somebody is dealing with a death and you go and you send them flowers or bring food, I was actually horrified when somebody sent me a thank you note for sending flowers. I thought, oh my gosh, you're going through so much and you sat, and now if that's their grieving process, that's one thing, but to actually expect anything, I didn't even expect her to acknowledge that, and I think that's fair because we all lose people, and I think during that time to just be able to grieve and feel the kindness from others, that's why we're here, to lift each other up, to look out for one another, to help lift each other up when we're going through what life brings to us. So that's my thought. I really want to know what you think. Comment below. Like it if you like it. Dislike it if you don't like it. I truly want to know what's going on in your guys' mind as far as this topic is concerned. Let me know.